Welcome to LessonUp. You have now joined a community of thousands of educators that use LessonUp every day to teach and create engaging lessons to share with their students and pupils. Now that you've created your accounts, you have now entered the My LessonUp dashboard. This is the teaching dashboard where you will see all your lessons that you have created before or will create in the future housed here. The LessonUp team has also housed some lessons for you in order to get you ready to go and teach your first lesson as soon as possible. Now, what you can also do within this dashboard is search for lessons that other teachers have created, and you can edit and use it the way you would like. You can also do the same for channels. These are organizations such as the Van Gogh Museum, the Anne Frank House, who have created curated lessons that you can easily use within the classroom. Now, let's first see how you can create your first lesson. Here you'll see the lesson editor, very similar to how you use other existing platforms such as PowerPoints and Google Slides. Here you can add static slides. You can also add interactive features such as quiz questions, mind maps, and really build the lesson you would like to teach to your pupils or students. But how do you actually teach? Let's click on the Teach button here. Once you press Teach, you will see that it's very much like a presentation format. But instead, you can now get your students involved in your lesson and answering back. How do you do this? You can ask them to open a web browser, LessonUp.app, or you can use the QR code for them to scan, and you can maximize to make it more visible. Once the students are auto-populated into your lesson, you can then go through the learning material that you've created and very much navigate through the slides using the arrows at the bottom. We highly recommend that you also try the student perspective yourself before teaching to your students. You can do this by also just typing in the LessonUp.app or scanning the QR code, and you yourself can see how the student perspective works. This way you'll learn how to organize and structure your lessons that make sense, and also use interactivity that you feel really suits your class's needs. Once you would like to exit your teaching format, you're then back into the editor. Here you can also continuously edit your slides if you like, add more interactivity. You can also share these lessons with your colleagues or share lessons as independent work and homework. Just know that every time you make an edit, it is automatically saved and you don't have to worry about losing your work. This also happens when you lose internet. You can still make edits or teach your lessons, and then once you are back online, all the changes will be saved again. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out in our chat. Our support team is here to help. You can also look through our help desk articles to learn more about all the features you can embed and use into your daily teaching. Welcome to the LessonUp community, and we hope you enjoy teaching fun and engaging lessons to your students.